Hiya, I'm finally home after more than 3 weeks holiday and I'm dying to get into this Print Pression mystery box which I purchased. I've cut the seal on it, but this is my first look. So I have here a card just saying thank you for your support. This is a code available to anyone to use, so if you use the code PrintPression25, you'll save 25% off at Annie Plans Printables if you spend more than $5. Okay. It's a little bit battered and bruised. I'll say first off, I'm really hoping for a B6 ring planner. I can see I don't have that. And I was really hoping for a week snap. That might be it there. And I was really hoping for a B6 hardbound planner. So this is pretty good. So I have a Print Pression weeks here. I'll open that in a little bit and we'll see exactly which one it is. And there's a hardbound Print Pression B6 in grey. And the light purple, I'm pretty sure this will be a personal wide. Doesn't look big enough for B6. I'll just have a quick look. This is a B6 TN and I can see it's only a little bit bigger than that. So I'm pretty sure this is a personal wide rings, which is a size I haven't used before, but we'll have a more detailed look at that in a minute. This looks like a weeks cover in pink. This will be an A6 TN in a gorgeous blue. And yes, a week's snap cover. So the snap closure, and it's for a week's, and you can set it up as a wallet. Awesome. So I'll just pop the packaging out of the way and let's have more of a look at everything. So this was an oops mystery package and it was $70 US plus shipping. International shipping was pretty steep actually, but I'm happy with it. So first of all, let's have a look at this one. This is B6 hardbound in grey. Oh yes, it's the weekly planner, which is awesome. So we've got blank months at the beginning here, and then if we go through onto here, hopefully you can see this, we've got weeks. So we've got the headers here set up, 6 at the top and then 1 here. So we've got the 2 short days for the weekend. I think B6 is my perfect page size, so I've really been looking forward to trying a B6 hardbound. So I am super pleased to have received that. It is an oops, but I can't actually see anything wrong with it. It looks like there's some plain grid pages at the back after the weeks. Yeah, just here, just a handful of plain grid pages. Super happy with that. So that's the first thing, and then this is a weeks sized planner. And this is the grid planner. So every page is just a grid. And if we look at my Hobonichi weeks, look at them side by side, pretty much the same size, but the Hobonichi has the sort of the off-white pages and the Print Pression has the much whiter and thicker pages. So it might be quite fun to try using that. And pink, I love it. So that's a grid. I also can't see why that's an oops, and it has a pink ribbon in it. Nice. Now let's look at the covers. This one here is the week's snap cover. So here we've got the Print Pression, and it does have an oops stamped there also. Not sure on the face of it what the oops is. We've got pockets here, 2 strings, and then there's a deep pocket here, and then some card-sized pockets here, and then the zip for money if you're wanting to use it as a wallet, and that's lined with a dark grey. So I'm not seeing the oops at all. I believe this back pocket here is designed to slip this into. So it's quite a snug fit. Quite a snug fit there, but then that can just close like so, and you can see there's also more space in there to put something else on the strings. Oh, super happy with that. I'll just slide that out. This one actually goes till the end of March, so I'm still using this one. And it slides in even more easily because it's actually a little bit less tall than the Print Pression one. So it can sit in there quite happily like so. So fantastic. Super happy with that cover, and I don't actually see the oops, and white is fantastic. Don't have any white planners actually, so that's really good. And then this one will be a week's cover also, and it also has oops just stamped on it there by the Print Pression label. It's a pink. I can't see on the face of it what the oops is. It's got the same pocket set up at the front here, and then at the back it's got the pocket to slip the week's planner into, and then a little bit there. Maybe this is the oops here. It doesn't look totally perfect at the seam there, but I don't know, it depends how fussy Kane is as to whether that would be oops or not. And this should just slide into here. It's quite a snug fit once again, but it will slide in there like so. So fantastic, 2 weeks covers and 2 weeks planners, so that's perfect. And then we've got this one here, which is an A6 cover. It's got a little pocket here, pockets here, it's got 4 strings, and then these deep pockets, and all of the pockets are lined, which is a nice touch. It's also got the oops stamp there. It's a gorgeous blue, and I don't see the oops with this either. So that's a cute little A6 traveller's notebook. I do use A6, so happy with that. And then this is the mystery one that I'm pretty sure is a personal wide rings planner. So it's a lilac colour, a light purple. It's also got an oops stamped there. Not entirely sure what it is. It's got the same pocket layout there with a little one here, and all those pockets are also lined with this grey fabric, and then it's got 2 pockets here. It's got a little bonus bit of fluff in it, and then the rings, which are nice and solid, all meat. Not sure what the oops is. So I've just grabbed a page out. This is a personal page, so it's not personal wide, but just to sort of check out the sizing of it. It definitely looks like the right height for the planner. So I would say this is very definitely a personal wide ring planner. So a little bit sad it isn't B6 rings, because that would be my absolute dream. But maybe this means I've just got to try personal wide and give that a go. Here's my oops mystery box, and I'm super happy with it. So I've got 4 faux leather planners in different sizes and 2 hardbound planners in different sizes. Couldn't do much better really, and I love every colour. So that's amazing. I'm really happy that I purchased this OOPS, and I purchased the OOPS from an email. I'm on the email list for Print Pression. If you're interested in purchasing one of these bundles as well, if you're on their mailing list, I'm sure in the future there'll be another opportunity to purchase something. Okay, thanks for watching, guys. Bye.